Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, fan, and heatsink. Removal. Disconnect the display panel cable from the system board and remove from its routing channel beside the left speaker. Disconnect the power button ribbon cable from its ZIF connector on the USB board. Remove the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Carefully lift the USB board up off its alignment pins and out of its cutout on the top cover. Replacement. Place the USB board over its alignment pins and push it gently into its cutout on the top cover. Replace the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Connect the power button ribbon cable to its ZIF connector on the USB board. Route the display panel cable into its routing channel beside the left speaker and connect it to the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.